childhood and adulthood. The perfect age is 18 to 19, and we know as a 13 to 18 or 19, the
Right,
teenage.
right.
So I agree that it is a very crucial age and determined age in our everyone's life. Actually, it's just not about our physical growth; it's about our mental growth, about any kind of relationship or any kind of future goal. At the age of 13 or 14, we are not decided what we want in the future. At the age of 10 to 12, we decide we become a doctor or engineer. But after ages, as Sneha say that she's joined journalism. I am also journalism student. I'm just complete my graduation.
Okay.
So I'm also journalism student. But that age of I'm not decided when I'm class 11. I'm not still not decided what I want to be a journalist or actually I'm interested in psychology. I'm also psychology. I actually be a psychology student, but after my ages I'm just suddenly decided I want to do journalism.
After the ages,
After the ages,
the adolescent period was over.
actually so when I'm giving my ages at age
17, I think
17,
17, something like that.
18.
Yes.
Yeah.
You were at the fag end of your adolescence.
Yeah, some of maybe that age I'm decided for my future goal or I want to be a journalist. But as a player, I'm decided my this kind of I decided and when I'm class 7. So in a previous everyone have decided in our mind if I don't have do this, so I have to plan A or plan B kind of. So
During the adolescent period.
yes, sir.
But here you see Fusha is standing during the adolescent period. Fusha knew not even ABCD properly. But today he teaches English only. His profession is teaching English.
So sir,
How is it possible? During his adolescent period he knew nothing.
So it depends on a person. Like as we know or as we
Obviously,
see.
and we have to deal with persons. We have to deal with people. The subject matter, adolescent period, deals with the human beings.
Yes.
And that's why these examples, stray examples, will come up very naturally.
At the we saw in a reality shows, in a singer show or in a dancing show, we saw that age of 10 or 11 or maybe 19 girl or boy, super dancer or well-known singer. At the age of like 8 or 9 or maybe the adolescence period, so they are god gifted. We say that the child is a god gifted because she or he is a very good dancer or a very good singer, so they are different from us, and everyone's not the same. Some of people decided the adolescence period what they want in their life, or some of people
So it is
decided.
not universally a determining period. It is not universally a determining period.
Yes, I agree about that. It's not a universal because all peoples are not same. Some peoples are decided. Some people's very mature at the age of 14, 15 or 16 because of the
What's the
situation.
average people? Average, let's then talk about the average people. If you are not interested to talk about the exceptional people, let's talk about the average people. Do you think that the average people make up their minds during the adolescent period
Yes,
about their future?
yes, I agree.
Do you
The
think so?
average people are decided what they want their life or what do they want. So they decided at the age of 16 or 17. Like I am at 17, I'm decided that I want to be a journalist or be a player.
I have been dealing with the students of this particular age group for a long time, adolescent period, as I am stated in the school.
Yes,
During this adolescent period, I have talked to people, talked to students who don't even know anything about life. They don't know anything about future. If I have asked them a number of times what their goal is, what their aim is. They have simply fumbled. Finally they say that that's what I have not even thought of that.
It's also
That's the average. I'm not the teacher of a school that is so renowned in our West Bengal, nothing of that sort. Two products are here, seeing the two products of Risha High. Don't be cheated, don't be deceived. Satyarthi is a brilliant student now, so seeing him, if you think that Sarah is the teacher of that particular school, so you're wrong. The average students of our school are mostly from the downtrodden section of the society. The average people.
So I think at that time, at the adolescence period, there's parents had a very crucial or very important part of our life because in this period, in teenage or in the adolescence period, we have thoughts of different kind of negative and the positive, and the bad or good side. So at that age, the maximum the people choose the bad because it's a shortcut. So they choose the bad, or they have a different kind of thoughts.
But don't become bad in the future.
They become not bad because maybe after the adolescence period they already decided.
Yeah, that is what I want to hear. After the adolescent period, they draw the conclusion that no, that's not my cup of tea.
Yes.
During the adolescent period, generally most of the people will have their role models in the industry, film industry, things
Yes.
like that. But afterwards, they understand that is simply a one of
Imagination.
showbiz.
Yes.
Okay, so they change their goal at the time and then think seriously about their future progress.
It's happened a maximum in boys because at that age
Girls
boys.
also go
Girls
get
also,
out the matinee idol.
Of course, girls also, but a lot of girls have. Actually, I agree that girls have some jealousy, or they have that goal. They're not share that their dreams or their ambition with the other girl. But the boys, they share with the girls, with boys. Because the boys don't have the jealousy period, but the girls have, of course. I agree as a girl. And that's why they have already decided, and their parents guide, they listen their parents or what I want. Actually, that time they are not decided what I want. Their parents decided.
Okay, no, there's a question from him.
Yes.
In case of a girl's life, what is the biggest change that a girl faces during the adolescence period? If you talk about the physical changes, what is the biggest change?
I think there is a biggest change in as a physical and mentally both. Like
yeah, you
everyone say that as a girl is mature more than a boy at that age. A boy is a girl is a
Boy cannot experience that. I'm talking about menstrual cycle. Okay,
Yes.
so a girl faces that, right?
Yes, of
So
course, as a period.
during adolescence, don't you think that we must educate the people so that we must take care of the adolescents as adolescents rather, so that they do not grow a negative sense of this particular thing. That because if you talk about the larger part or larger section of the society, they have a very negative.
I know,
feeling
but
about
question, your
menstruation.
question.
So how do you, as a parent, how can I take care of my adolescent child?
as I say at first that at that age, at that period, parents is a very important part of our life.
Yeah.
If our parents had a that periods or the menstruation is it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad way. It is a normal. It is a daily based thing. It's a every month period cycle.
That you can feel now, but as an adolescent, when it happens to a girl at the very
Actually,
first time, how do they react? They definitely are very much afraid of something,
No,
of public images or public reactions.
So if
It happens.
no, actually, if I said in my opinion, in my adolescence period, when I had, it's a very,
Let's talk in general.
it's a very normal thing. I think.
Let's talk in general.
It's a very, I think it's a very normal thing. It's a you have a deal with
Who taught you
normal.
this? Who taught you this? How did you come to know about this? Like,
Yes, she told the parents
My
play a very,
parents, my mom, my
very
dad,
pivotal role.
Our grandparents actually say that don't say our dad or male, actually male, because it's a female thing, it's not a male thing. So don't talk about with the male.
So one's family also plays a very pivotal
I
role.
think the family have to grow, and this is a normal thing. They have to understand if they understand that thing. So
That-
then the child also understand it's a normal thing. It's not a big deal. It's not a bad thing. So my parents also give that it's a normal thing. It's not a big deal, and I can do everything at that moment. At the
Okay. Thank you, Annapurna. Thank you very much.